Welcome to Midway College's library. This orientation will guide you to get the most of the library's resources and services. The high school library opens at 700 hours to 1600 hours on Mondays to Fridays, while the college library starts its operation at 700 hours to 1600 hours on Mondays and from 700 to 1800 hours on Tuesdays to Fridays. The high school library collections includes resources on junior high and senior high, introductory maritime books, Filipiniana, fiction, general interest, general references, teacher's resource material, periodicals and newspapers, and student research papers. The college library collections includes resources on marine transportation, marine engineering, customs administration, entrepreneurship, information systems, cruise ship hotel and restaurant services, technical vocational teacher education, fiction and general interest, general references, and Filipiniana. It has collections of original manuscripts such as theses and dissertations, research outputs, periodicals, portfolios, and audiovisual materials. Special collections such as yearbooks and the biography of Admiral Tomas Cloma is also part of its collection. The library offers services such as circulation services, where library patrons can loan out and renew library materials. Electronic media resources area, that offers internet services such as Wi-Fi connection and use of computer units. Reference service, which is the assistance to library patrons for queries and information needs. Reservation services, which is for reservation of books, library facility, and equipment. Resource sharing, wherein library patrons can access and use library resources from both high school and college libraries. Referral service, wherein visitors and alumni are permitted to use library resources, provided that they have their ID and a referral letter from their respective library. Midway Library users as well can request referral to other libraries provided that they secure a referral letter from the library personnel. Midway e-learning site or MELS, which is an avenue of library updates and the virtual support service of the library where patrons can view, search and request for e-books for all the programs. Online Public Access Catalog, which is the library's online catalog where patrons can access and locate library resources they need. The process is very simple. Go to the link and search any title, subject, or keyword, then copy the DDC classification, and ask any of the library personnel for assistance. The library offers a space for study, reading, discussions, and relaxation with its reading area, discussion room, chess boards, and mini lounge area. Reminders that you need to keep in mind as you are in the library. Let your ID be scanned or log in as you enter the library. Put your bags at the baggage area. Refrain from rearranging the tables and chairs. Always maintain toned-down voices while inside the library. Always observe the Clego policy. No food and drinks allowed inside the library. Put your phones in silent mode. For queries, never hesitate to ask from any of the library personnel. And always remember that a library is a place to make you a better learner.